Alright, boys and girls, today we're going to be cutting open a cacao nut. So here, tell me a little bit about this.
Cacao goes to cocoa, and cocoa goes to chocolate.
Boom! It's as simple as that. Now once that I open this up, it's going to have a nice chocolate bar in there. I think it's going to be Godiva, actually. What? You just open it up, and the chunks of Godiva are going to be in here, and you just pick it up and you eat it. That's it, done.
No.
That's not how that works?
No, you get cocoa beans there, and then you make it to the Godiva.
You mean I just can't open this up? Somebody said this was... No?
It is a chocolate nut, but you have to start with cocoa beans to get the Godiva.
Oh man, so there's a lot of work involved. Alright, well let's see how this is going to happen, okay? So again, this is a cocoa nut, and you know it's ripe when you... You hear that? That's not my stomach. That's the cocoa nut. That's like the pods in there that are just moving around. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this bad boy open. And I learned how to cut this open never. So let's see how this is going to work out.
You don't know if it's a bad boy. It might be a bad girl.
Could be a bad nut. Cut this thing open like this. Bear with me.
Sharper knife.
That's about as sharp as they come.
No, that knife right beside you.
Oh boy. It's not sharper, it's just bigger. Okay.
No,
let's see. Woo!
Yeah,
looks like a surprise in there to me. Wow.
Dang it.
Let's open up some more. And again, I'm not going to get a Godiva in here, or our Ferrero Rocher. It's going to be something like this. Right there? Yeah, something like that. That's the cocoa pods. Now, my understanding is that the flesh on top of this tastes like fruit. But the inside part, the nut inside, that's the cocoa nut. So here, I want you to put this in your mouth, and I want you just to swish it around, okay? Don't swallow it, don't bite into it. Just try to take the top part off, okay? And tell me what it tastes like. Put it in your mouth. The tasty outside of it, it's very fruity, citrusy, really, really tasty. Now, I'm just going to wash this and put it back in this bad boy. Let me get that out of your mouth. Thank you for your business.
That makes no sense. Let me get that out of your mouth.
And so, here's the crazy part. Take this out, and you have to ferment it for 12 days. What that means is, this is going to rot. The skin's going to rot on it. But my understanding is, once it rots, that flavor gets infused into the cocoa nut.
Yeah, the flavor on the skin is really tasty. It gets into the coconut. The coconut
that was so good.
Yeah, it was.
That was so good. Anyways, I'm going to put this in a little Tupperware, and then we're going to put it up for like maybe 12 days. Tutti frutti, exactly. And let it ferment. And then, in about 12 days' time, I'll come back to you in the second part of this video, which we will then start to peel that skin off and begin roasting it. And we have to roast it 2 times for it to become cacao. Potato, tomato. I don't know. It just tastes good, okay? So stay tuned.
It's tomato, potato.
Well, same thing. If you put them all together, boom, banana. Okay? Stay tuned.
And also, subscribe to the True Excalibur.
True Excalibur, right?
Yes.
Subscribe.